I walked out of my office and I let out a guttural scream of frustration.
Accountant Chris Dyke's reaction when he learned the Canada Revenue Agency cancelled new reporting requirements for bare trusts Thursday of a long weekend before a Tuesday deadline. Before your eyes glaze over, a bare trust could apply to you. It's when you have legal title to an asset, but you're not the beneficial owner. Examples include being on a joint bank account to help elderly parents, or being on title of a mortgage to help your kids. Until Thursday, Canadians in those situations newly had to report it.
There'll be a number of clients that want to adhere to the law and would have prematurely made sure they filed on time, and they've already done the work and they've already spent the money.
The CRA is expanding trust reporting requirements in general to try and crack down on tax evasion and fraud. But experts Global News consulted agree including bare trusts won't help.
I used the term soul crushing.
Most of these bare trust arrangements aren't where income is being generated, right? There wouldn't be any additional tax to pay.
The CRA tells Global News it listened to stakeholders expressing concerns and needing more clarification. Industry frustration is about the last-minute switch, something the government also did with the underused housing tax last year.
Getting the government to try to work with stakeholders like CPA Canada in advance of implementing the legislation so we can try to get it right to begin with.
Dyke estimates his firm spent as much as $45,000 on bare trust filings and has chosen to take the hit.
We're not going to charge the clients for these because just in good conscience.
Is there going to be compensation for people who have incurred those costs now all for nothing?
Global News asked that question of the CRA, the Finance Department, and the ministers responsible, as well as why the change was so last minute. No one offered any answers, nor any message for Canadians who already paid a lawyer or an accountant trying to do the right thing. Abigail Bimman, Global News, Ottawa.